So you guys ignore my shiny forehead and my hairs.
Are you doing a vlog too, honey?
Yes, I'm here with Amanda.
Hey, girl, hey, what you doing?
Yeah, okay.
We're professionals. Hey, y'all, what y'all doing? It's Amanda. Welcome back to her channel. We're in our vibe here with this Christian fiction section, okay? And so I've got 2 books here. I'm gonna get.
Ooh, I haven't even seen
Who
one.
is surprised? Who is
Which
surprised?
ones do you have here?
This is The Vanishing of Josephine Reynolds by Jennifer Mormon, and then this is like I think just like a general historical, but I looked it up and it looks like the content's okay. All the Pretty Places by Joy Calloway.
That looks fun. I love the cover. It's very springy.
I know.
We had so much fun. This is the worst angle possible, but we had so much fun today. And Amanda's about to go home.
Yeah,
but
it was so nice to meet you, girl. Yes,
it was so nice. She's the sweetest person. Y'all go subscribe to her.
So I look unhinged, but this is supposed to be a beautiful frog. I was promised a frog by this girl on YouTube, and it had better look like a frog. I spent like an hour on this. So let's see how it turns out. Isn't it beautiful? It looks like a caterpillar. It looks so unhinged, but I love it. It matches my energy.
3 days later.
It's so hot today, but I'm gonna see what my amazing tie-dye shirt looks like. It's been like 3 or 4 days, I think. This is what we're rocking with. It still looks like I'm gonna begin the process of unwrapping. If this looks like a deranged frog, I'm gonna be so disappointed.
That's actually
I did it. I did it. It's a frog. It's a frog, and you can actually kind of tell it's a frog. Sure, one eye's a little bit bigger than the other, but you know what? He's got personality. Look at it. Oh my gosh. What did you say about the nostrils?
One is bigger than the other, just like you.
Bruh. What did you say?
Styrofoam. I hate it with a passion. If I ever see one more thing packed with styrofoam again, I will like burn a building.
Well, guess what? You're gonna see many things still packed with styrofoam.
I will go John Wick mode on the creators of styrofoam.
You know what I think? I think you've been watching too much John Wick.
No, one does not simply watch enough too much John Wick. You put her in the pits of despair.
Who is she? Anne of Green Gables? She's in the depths of despair.
Come here. I know that's what you want. Come here.
Oh, well, we're excited too. So, I want to hear all about children.
Well, I haven't actually started yet. Show what smart really is. Just call me if you need me. You're kidding, right? The least I can do. Bye. Bye.
sneaky snake. What kind of snake is this? Ah, it's moving. Look at it, it's looking at us.
Hi.
Brought to you by Yumi.
Yumi, why are you filming it diagonally? Meow. Oh, is that so? I left in Great British Bake Off fashion. I had to leave off one of the blackberries. These are blackberries, not raspberries. I know my berries. But yeah, I love the Great British Bake Off, okay? And they always have one missing, so that's an ode to the Great British Bake Off.
Bake.
Bake.
On your marks.
Get set.
Bake!
I had the most wholesome interaction with this little old man that worked at Publix. So he gave me a free sample of this, and I was like, oh, look, that'll go perfect with my blackberry lemon cake. So that's what we're having. We can cut it off.
Come on, come on.